So what is a bull market? Well, as we spoke about in the bear market video, the traditional finance definition for this would be a 20% upward move from the lows. However, this is very, very flawed as a definition because I've seen Bitcoin do a 20% move intraday. So it's ridiculous to claim that a 20% move is a bull market. These definitions are archaic and they're defined for something like the S&P where it might move 1% intraday, not 20%. So I urge you guys to, similarly to my bear market video, adopt a new definition for a bull market. And the one that I've chosen and that's helped me out in all my trades and that some of the best traders on the street and in the crypto space in general use is they look at the 20-week moving average. And I'm going to show you guys that very soon. But before I do, I want to just quickly mention that statistically, being long is in your favor. Something like during 80% of its lifetime, Bitcoin has been in a technical bull market. And so what this means is, for me, is that one, I never short Bitcoin or crypto. That's just a personal rule I have. But it also means that by being long Bitcoin, you have put the odds statistically in your favor. So now we're going to look at the historical 20-weekly moving average. We've got it here on screen. We see clearly the 2013 bull market with the double peak that it had, the long and drawn out 2016, 2017 bull market, and then this short one we just had in 2020. And we see how accurate it's been every time in predicting a bull market or at least a sizable upward move. And so I recommend you guys to go to tradingview.com and pull up this chart and plot out this moving average and really see for yourselves how effective it is in predicting bull and bear markets. Thanks, guys.